What's up, ladies and fucking femboys? 750 in the balance. Medicius. Or should I say, fucking. Guys, if you want to support me, Medicius and click apply. Click it. Just fucking click apply. Click it. I've lost the past, like, fucking, I don't know, a lot of bottles. Let's just leave it at that. Oh shit, stay. What the fuck? Where's this shit? Oh, that's already 350. It is 120 going case after all. Go over. Oh shit. Thought that was gonna be better, to be honest, but hey. Can't bitch about that. Nice. Fuck is this? 4% is probably gonna hit. Yeah. Good enough. Or not. Yes, it fucking is. Holy shit. It's definitely good enough. Over? Okay, bro. Oh, I did not. I did not. Oh my god. Snatchers. Oh, okay. Fucking me, bro. I never go crazy mode. Never. 1K. That is just fucked up. That is just fucked up. Bro, this UI looks like shit. Here we go. Much better. Lord have mercy on my soul. Siren. Go over, please. Thank you. That would have been fucked if I hit as well. A win is a win. Oh, that was. I thought that was way worse. Shit, like a starting balance. It's gonna be a payer as well. Either full dry spins or insane. Yep. Okay, well. Nah, I like, bro. Oh, okay. It didn't go over. Hey, at least it's not that tragic. Oh shit, it's a fucking coin flip or whatever. Oh shit! Oh shit! Wait, what? I hit this? What? Bro. Well, we're going all in. Okay, come on. If we win this one, then I don't even know. We win it. Grim, kill your nothing. Okay, money for the pot. Money for the fucking pot. That's fine. More money for the pot. Oh, 1.2k. Holy shit. Hydroponic. Fuck. Oh shit. Why am I saying oh shit? That's fucking dog shit. Go over, yes. That's nice. Fucking hell, what is that case, bro? Okay. Mythology, come on. No, do not go over. Okay, a win is a win. A win is a fucking win. Bro, that was kinda dog shit though. Pretty disappointing. I'm recording a video. Bro, I'm recording a video.
Look what you just hate.
Wait, holy shit.
What the fuck?
Wait, I'm recording a video, bro. Oh shit, how much is that? 8k!
What the fuck?
Nice. Come on, keep it up. Okay, that's fine.
Watch you lose this. Please find a way to
No,
lose this.
what? That's 4.9k already.
Yeah, but you already hit the top item. It's unlosable.
Oh shit.
Oh my god, I think that paid. Okay, wait, let me make a battle of my own channel.
Okay.
Don't worry, guys, I got this. It's under control. They're all 10% cases.
Bro, the way I got the money up, I did a 3-way crazy mode, Robson case 5, and they hit top item.
No way,
Yeah.
finally. Oh my god. I've been chasing that Robson top item for years.
Yeah, but I did a crazy mode, so it was just perfect, bro. And then I didn't basically all in. I was laughing my ass off because I'm like straight all in.
Oh, GG.
Yeah, GG. What is that?
That's.
Okay, GG.
Oh, it's only 11k. That's not a good spin.
Still GG. Oh, stay. No.
These are all 10% cases, by the way.
Oh, they are? Okay, well, GG. The 10% cases are fucking.
Oh my god.
Rigged, bro. Why? Nah.
Wait, just wait for the high voltage,
You
bro.
should have done crazy mode. On good.
Wait, that case is shit. Yeah, we lost. Wait, still not. Wait, it's not lost yet. That's ass.
Oh, fuck, that's 2k. Okay.
Imagine opening a 1k 10% case, you open 3.6k.
Go over?
Nice.
They
Oh
hit as well,
fuck. Yeah, no, this case is bad because minimum pull is 13k, max is 20k. So basically, we lost. And we hit minimum. Okay, damn.
Fucking fuck.
My bad.
Yeah, it's fine. It's a good video, anyways. I'll run it up still. It's fine. Do not worry, guys. Do not fucking worry. Gee, this is so degenerate. Okay.
Alright.
Okay, I guess I'm making 2 videos out of this, cause yeah.
Oh!
Oh!
How much is that?
Oh! Oh my fucking god, bro! Let's fucking go, man! What?
0.05.
Let's fucking go, bro! I hate that shit, bro! Fuck yeah! Okay, well, we're ending the video there, boys. Use code MEDICS on Rain.gg and on every other site. CSGO Roll also, fucking, you know, everything. You know, if you want to get 30k, boys, and fucking lady boys. Holy shit, 30 fucking k. Well, GG. G fucking G. Good night, boys.